Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Django is a powerful web framework that allows developers to build dynamic web applications using Python. One of the features that make Django so flexible is its templating system, which lets you embed Python code within HTML templates. However, when you mix Python code and Django templates, you might encounter syntax errors. In this tutorial, we will explore common syntax errors that can occur when embedding Python code in Django templates and how to fix them. Before we get started, ensure that you have the following. One of the most common errors is forgetting to enclose your Python code within %% or template tags. For example, always make sure to wrap your Python code in the appropriate template tags. Another common mistake is using mismatched template tags. For example, ensure that you correctly match the opening and closing tags. When using double curly braces, Django escapes HTML content by default. However, in some cases, you may want to display HTML as is, but this can lead to syntax errors if not handled properly. To display HTML as is, use the %AutoEscape tag. Note, be cautious when disabling auto-escape as it may introduce security vulnerabilities. When embedding strings, you must wrap them in quotes. Forgetting to do so can result in syntax errors. Ensure that strings are enclosed in quotes. Using a variable or filter that doesn't exist can lead to errors. For instance, make sure the variable or filter you are using exists in the context. You can also use the default filter to handle missing variables. Understanding and fixing syntax errors when embedding Python code in Django templates is crucial for building robust web applications. By following the solutions outlined in this tutorial, you can prevent and resolve common syntax errors, making your Django templates more reliable and error-free. Remember to thoroughly test your templates to ensure they behave as expected in various scenarios. ChatGPT.